Hello everyone. If you're a victim of 498A and you're falsely accused of many domestic violence accusations, please watch on. I would be sharing my story and how did I fight back 498A. Possibly it might help your case as well. So back in 2013, when I cleared UPSC prelims, I got an opportunity to write UPSC mains exams in the month of December 2013. I was super enthusiastic. I wrote all the exams. There were 10 subjects. You need to write really like 5,000 words to 10,000 words for in 3 hours. And I did a good, decent job there. And was really expecting I would get selected to the UPSC interviews. Soon after writing my mains, I got a call from the police station that a case was registered against me for 498A, uh, which was absolutely false. This was a first time experience for me and my family. We were truly traumatized. We visited the hospital, sorry, the police station, and our passports were confiscated. And we didn't know what was happening around. And we met many advocates, we met the senior police officials, but they were all law bound and we had to fight the case. But the problem was not that only merely fighting the case. I was also giving UPSC preparations along with my job, with family, etc. The stress and amount of burden was too high. I was the sole bread earner of the family then. In February, I got a good news with God's grace that I was selected for UPSC interviews. But however, I had a month time to prepare amid all these police cases and even domestic violence case was registered against me and my family. So I made this with the help of my mentor, sir. I started preparing again for interviews. The date was April 15th. In the second week of April, I went to Delhi, along with my mentor, sir, and we started mock interviews. However, just couple of days before my interviews, I got a call from police station that we need to visit. Now, this is a very awkward situation, very stressful situation where I'm preparing for UPSC interviews, the toughest interviews in the world. At the same point in time, I need to really answer police stations for no mistake of mine. So this took a heavy toll on my pressure. And then I went to interview hall. I walked into it with carrying both the interview pressure and also the pressure of the case. So in the interview hall, there was many questions being asked. I didn't do a decent job there. And then there was a question about women empowerment. I had a very mixed feeling, and I couldn't really, focus or give a very candid answer to the panel. Because of this, I scored very low, like 90 out of 250, which is this marks is considered to be, a failure in interview. I came back home. I was uh, very emotional that the years of hard work was wasted like this. And I was talking to my parents and my mother, who really inspired me. She actually told that, right, ambitions are good, but have a gratitude towards God for giving so much of ability for you to think, for you to walk around, simple walk around, right? Many are disabled in those things as well. So it took some time, but I really regained my confidence as I was understood the UPSC syllabus. I knew like what is law, what is constitution in its entirety. So I started fighting back. I started finding ways and means to fight back. So it's very important. What I figured out a secret is that it's very important to not only understand the case better, right? But it's very essential that you should not feel victimized in your case. You should always try to be aggressive, offense like. not in the way of physical aggressiveness. I was talking about in ways of finding ways through legal means, right, to fight back your case. So I did a lot of research. I did a lot of studies of previous such cases. What are the judgments? What are the evidences? I really worked with the advocate. Like how do we draft a case? Giving not that I'm an expert in legal, but it's my own case. Right, I'm a better person to give a better drafting, better precedents. So I worked the way out. Of course, I did had a failures. However, over a period of time, I was eventually success in my case. So today, I wanted to make a promise to you people that uh, reach out to me, right, for any of your uh, cases or concerns, how to fight back, not only in the in the court, or in the police stations, but also how do you build your character, right, from a victim mindset to a victor mindset. So your victim mindset is here. You need to have a victor mindset, and you need to fight back. So there are three ways you can really reach me out. One is through mobile, other is email ID, and you can also visit my website where you will get an understanding of all the ongoing cases, and they also forum you can fill up, and we could pick up your case and start the conversations. Thanks for watching, and hope everything goes well with your case. And for now, sign off.